see for this fitting, the logo cutting is very good. Here is very good, but this places, the starting places and finishing places isn't very good, isn't smooth. So we change this starting place to this area. Okay. We can open the file, the drawing. Okay, the first one. So this is the drawing. We see if we don't do the optimize, there are how cutting. It will cut too many pieces. Okay, we can do optimize. You do only one layer, one cutting layer, cutting path. So we do optimize firstly. Okay. So we don't cut this. We only cut this. But now there are one part. Okay, now we will separate it, and I will delete this one, and keep this one, delete this one, delete. And do the change. I will change the. No. I made a mistake. I will keep this, and only change the starting place to this area or to this area. Okay. Now first for the wheel. Is show end. Show end, we can change this one to this area. Here. We should select change start first. Okay. Now we can change the starting place to this point. For the wheel, we don't show end. Now we do this parting. Optimize again and download. Download the drawing to the machine. Okay? You can check here for the work page and go back to 0 firstly. See? Yeah. Okay, now the cutting side is okay. Is the suitable the plastic plate. Now I will do the cutting. Now we can see the fitting is perfect. So we change the starting place to this angle or to this angle. So other places is very smooth, very nice.